Guys deal with this on a daily basis. What do you do when you approach a group of girls and they're being negative or they seem to be in a really bad mood? There's some pretty cool techniques that I'm going to show you. I wanted to address an issue that most men do that is extremely incorrect, and you're actually doing a disservice to the girls. So let's get into it. Now, when you see a group of girls and they don't seem to be having fun, it doesn't matter the why. Don't worry about why they're not having fun, okay? So let's say there's 3 girls there and they're on their phone and they kind of have a frown on, they're just on their phone, really quiet, kind of cranky. And most guys do this, and let me know if you can relate to this. They'll walk up to the girls, I've seen this a lot, and they go, "Hey, why do you guys look so mad? Cheer up, it's a beautiful night." Or something along those lines, right? "Hey, why are you guys so angry? You guys are beautiful. You should be more happy. Hey guys, you guys look like you're not having fun. You guys want to have fun?" That's the worst thing that you can do. Here's what you will do from now on, because you're watching this video. I love this. All right, so the girls are kind of being cranky and they're a little negative or whatnot, and you go up to them and you actually reverse it. And you go, "Hey guys, I just wanted to come over and say you guys seem like you have really good energy. I'm Cosmo." And you just stay quiet, right? Let's say they give you very little. Very little. They go, "Okay, thank you, that's nice. Nice to meet you, Cosmo." Here's the next thing that I say. I could tell that you guys are not from Hollywood, because most of the Hollywood women are kind of like shallow and they're insecure, but you guys seem like you have that vibe, that you're very confident. You seem like you're a tourist because you don't have that jaded and bitter feeling that most women have out here. And now it kind of snaps them out. I'm disrupting their pattern. They're like, "Wait a minute, he's telling me that we are exuding confidence and we're fun, we have good energy. Maybe he's right. Maybe we're not cranky." And I am literally convincing them that they're not mad, they're not in a bad mood, and I'll continue to pursue it. Everything has to be very positive. Do not address the situation and do not be reactive. So if you're like, "Yeah, you guys look like fun, you guys seem like fun," and they go, "No, we're bored," you can't be like, "Yeah, you guys look like you're bored." Continue to misinterpret the situation, okay? It's as if you are blind and you can't see that they have a angry face on. You can't even see it, okay? And by this point, with everything that I just taught you, you are now programming them to actually make them feel as if they are in a good mood. And then you continue to stack forward. Stack forward means continue to elevate the conversation. And I have that in other videos, building attraction and so forth. It's a very, very powerful technique, and I addressed a very big mistake that a lot of guys do. I'm sure some of you watching this video have done it before. Don't be reactive. Do not address the situation that they're negative. Don't do it. Check out my other videos. I'll talk to you guys soon.